Welcome. Today we're diving into the essential topic of hydration. You might have heard the term before, but what does it really mean? Hydration is all about maintaining the right balance of water in your body. Water is crucial for every cell, tissue, and organ to function properly. In this video, we'll explore what hydration is, why it's important, and how it impacts your daily life. We'll also look at signs of dehydration and practical tips to stay hydrated. Let's start by understanding the basics of hydration and why it's a key part of a healthy lifestyle. Hydration refers to the process of providing your body with enough water to keep it functioning optimally. Our bodies are made up of about 60% water, and this fluid is involved in countless bodily processes. From regulating temperature to transporting nutrients, water is at the core of our health. When we talk about hydration, we're talking about making sure our bodies have the water they need to perform all these vital tasks. Without proper hydration, even simple activities can become more difficult. Water is not just something we drink when we're thirsty, it's a fundamental part of our biology. Every cell in your body relies on water to carry out its functions. Water helps regulate your body temperature, lubricates your joints, and aids in digestion. It also helps flush out toxins and waste products. Without enough water, your body can't work as efficiently, which can lead to fatigue, headaches, and other health issues. That's why staying hydrated is so important for your overall well-being. Once you drink water, your body puts it to work right away. Water is absorbed through your digestive system and then transported to every cell. It helps dissolve minerals and nutrients, making them accessible to your body. Water also plays a key role in chemical reactions, such as those that produce energy. Additionally, it helps maintain blood volume and pressure, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are delivered where they're needed. This constant movement and use of water is what keeps us feeling energized and healthy. You might wonder how much water you actually need each day. While the exact amount can vary based on age, activity level, and climate, a common guideline is about 8 cups, or 2 liters, per day for adults. However, some people may need more, especially if they're active or live in hot environments. Listening to your body's thirst cues is important, but it's also helpful to make drinking water a regular habit. Remember, other fluids and foods like fruits and vegetables also contribute to your hydration. While water is the most obvious source of hydration, it's not the only one. Many beverages, such as herbal teas, milk, and even coffee, can help you stay hydrated. In addition, foods with high water content like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges also provide your body with fluids. Including a variety of these sources in your diet can make it easier to meet your daily hydration needs, especially if you're not a fan of plain water. When you exercise, your body loses water through sweat, making it even more important to stay hydrated. Drinking water before, during, and after physical activity helps replace lost fluids and keeps your muscles working efficiently. Dehydration during exercise can lead to cramps, dizziness, and decreased performance. That's why athletes and active individuals need to pay special attention to their hydration habits, especially during intense workouts or in hot weather. It's important to recognize when your body isn't getting enough water. Common signs of dehydration include feeling thirsty, having a dry mouth, dark yellow urine, and feeling tired or dizzy. In more severe cases, dehydration can cause confusion, rapid heartbeat, and even fainting. Paying attention to these warning signs can help you take action before dehydration becomes a serious problem. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's a good idea to drink water right away. Children are especially vulnerable to dehydration because their bodies are smaller, and they may not always recognize when they're thirsty. It's important for parents and caregivers to encourage regular water breaks, especially during playtime or hot weather. Signs of dehydration in children can include irritability, dry lips, and reduced urination. Keeping an eye on these symptoms and offering water frequently can help keep kids healthy and hydrated. Older adults are also at greater risk for dehydration. As we age, our sense of thirst may decrease, and certain medications can increase fluid loss. It's important for seniors to drink water regularly, even if they don't feel thirsty. Family members and caregivers can help by offering water throughout the day and including hydrating foods in meals. Staying hydrated can help prevent confusion, urinary tract infections, and other health issues in the elderly. Hot and humid weather increases your body's need for water. When temperatures rise, you sweat more to cool down, which means you lose more fluids. It's important to drink water regularly during heat waves or when spending time outdoors. Cold weather can also affect hydration, as you may not feel as thirsty but still lose water through breathing and physical activity. No matter the season, keeping up with your water intake is key. When you're sick, your body often loses more water than usual, especially if you have a fever, vomiting, or diarrhea. Staying hydrated helps your body recover and can ease symptoms. Drinking small amounts of water frequently, or using oral rehydration solutions can be especially helpful. If you're caring for someone who's ill, keep an eye on their fluid intake and encourage them to drink, even if they don't feel thirsty. Water plays a vital role in digestion. It helps break down food, absorb nutrients, and move waste through your digestive system. Drinking enough water can prevent constipation and keep your digestive tract running smoothly. If you're experiencing digestive issues, increasing your water intake might help. Remember, both food and beverages contribute to your overall hydration, supporting healthy digestion. Proper hydration is often reflected in your skin. When you're well hydrated, your skin looks plumper and more radiant. Dehydration can make your skin appear dry, flaky, or dull. While drinking water isn't a cure-all for skin problems, it does help maintain your skin's elasticity and overall appearance. Pairing good hydration with a healthy skincare routine can help you look and feel your best. Did you know that your brain is about 75% water? Staying hydrated is essential for mental clarity, focus, and mood. Even mild dehydration can affect your concentration and memory. If you're feeling sluggish or having trouble thinking clearly, a glass of water might help. Keeping your brain hydrated supports better decision-making and overall cognitive function. Feeling tired or low on energy? Dehydration could be a factor. Water is involved in the production of energy at the cellular level. When you're dehydrated, your body has to work harder, which can leave you feeling fatigued. Drinking enough water throughout the day can help you stay alert and energized, making it easier to tackle your daily tasks. Drinking water can also play a role in managing your weight. Sometimes, our bodies confuse thirst with hunger, leading us to eat when we actually need fluids. Drinking a glass of water before meals can help you feel fuller and may prevent overeating. Additionally, water has 0 calories, making it a great choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight. Your kidneys rely on water to filter waste from your blood and produce urine. Staying hydrated helps your kidneys function efficiently and reduces the risk of kidney stones and urinary tract infections. If you're prone to these issues, drinking enough water is especially important. Clear or light yellow urine is usually a sign that you're well hydrated. Water is essential for maintaining healthy blood volume and circulation. When you're dehydrated, your blood becomes thicker, making it harder for your heart to pump. This can increase your risk of heart-related issues, especially if you already have cardiovascular concerns. Drinking enough water supports your heart's ability to deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout your body. Water acts as a lubricant for your joints, helping them move smoothly and reducing the risk of pain or injury. If you're experiencing joint stiffness or discomfort, increasing your water intake might help. Staying hydrated supports the production of synovial fluid, which cushions your joints and keeps them flexible. A well-hydrated body is better equipped to fight off illness. Water helps transport nutrients and oxygen to your cells, supports the removal of waste, and keeps your mucous membranes moist. These membranes are your body's first line of defense against germs. By staying hydrated, you're giving your immune system the support it needs to keep you healthy. One of water's most important roles is helping your body regulate its temperature. When you're hot, you sweat, and that sweat evaporates to cool you down. If you're not hydrated, your body can't produce enough sweat, making it harder to stay cool. This can lead to overheating or heat-related illnesses, especially during exercise or in hot weather. Your body is constantly working to remove toxins and waste products. Water is a key player in this detoxification process. It helps your kidneys filter waste, supports liver function, and aids in the elimination of toxins through urine and sweat. Drinking enough water ensures that your body's natural detox systems can work efficiently. Staying hydrated can even impact your sleep quality. Dehydration can cause dry mouth and nasal passages, making it harder to breathe comfortably at night. It can also lead to leg cramps or restlessness. Drinking water throughout the day, but not too much right before bed, can help you sleep better and wake up feeling refreshed. Believe it or not, your mood can be affected by how much water you drink. Dehydration has been linked to irritability, anxiety, and even depression. Keeping your body well hydrated can help you feel more balanced and positive. If you're feeling down or stressed, a glass of water might be just what you need to lift your spirits. Pregnant women need more water to support their growing baby and increase blood volume. Proper hydration helps prevent constipation, urinary tract infections, and swelling. It also supports the development of the baby's organs and tissues. Pregnant women should aim to drink extra fluids each day and pay attention to signs of dehydration. Breastfeeding mothers also need more water, as producing milk requires extra fluids. Staying hydrated helps maintain milk supply and supports both mother and baby's health. It's a good idea for breastfeeding women to have a glass of water nearby during feedings and to drink whenever they feel thirsty. Some medications can increase your need for water by causing you to lose more fluids or by affecting your kidneys. If you're taking medication, it's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist about your hydration needs. Drinking enough water can help your body process medications safely and effectively. Alcohol is a diuretic, which means it causes your body to lose more water. Drinking alcohol without enough water can quickly lead to dehydration, resulting in headaches, fatigue, and other symptoms. If you choose to drink alcohol, it's a good idea to alternate with water and stay mindful of your overall fluid intake. Caffeinated drinks like coffee and tea can have a mild diuretic effect, but they still contribute to your overall hydration. Unless you're drinking large amounts, moderate caffeine intake is generally not dehydrating. Just remember to balance caffeinated beverages with plenty of water throughout the day. Sports drinks can be helpful for intense or prolonged exercise, as they replace both fluids and electrolytes lost through sweat. However, for most people, plain water is sufficient for everyday hydration. Sports drinks are best reserved for athletes or situations where you're sweating heavily for an extended period. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium are minerals that help your body retain water and maintain fluid balance. When you sweat a lot, you lose both water and electrolytes. In these cases, drinks that contain electrolytes can help restore balance. For most people, a balanced diet provides enough electrolytes for daily hydration. Salt, or sodium, helps your body retain water, but too much can lead to dehydration by making you feel thirsty and causing your body to lose fluids. It's important to strike a balance. Consume enough salt to support hydration, but not so much that it becomes unhealthy. Processed foods are often high in salt, so be mindful of your intake. A diet high in fiber is great for digestion, but it also increases your need for water. Fiber absorbs water in your digestive tract, helping to form soft, bulky stools. Without enough water, a high-fiber diet can lead to constipation. If you're increasing your fiber intake, be sure to drink more water as well. Traveling, especially by air, can increase your risk of dehydration. Airplane cabins are dry, and you may not drink as much water while on the go. It's important to bring a water bottle and sip regularly during your journey. Staying hydrated can help prevent fatigue, headaches, and jet lag. High altitudes can increase your need for water, as you lose more fluids through breathing and urination. If you're hiking or spending time in the mountains, it's important to drink extra water. Dehydration at high altitudes can worsen symptoms of altitude sickness, so staying hydrated is key for safety and comfort. Living in a hot or dry climate means your body loses more water through sweat and evaporation. Even if you don't feel thirsty, you may need to drink more water to stay hydrated. Pay attention to your body's needs and adjust your fluid intake based on the weather and your activity level. Just like humans, pets need plenty of water to stay healthy. Make sure your pets always have access to fresh, clean water, especially during hot weather or after exercise. Watch for signs of dehydration in animals, such as lethargy, dry gums, or loss of appetite. Keeping your furry friends hydrated is an important part of responsible pet care. There are many myths about hydration, such as the idea that you must drink 8 glasses of water a day, or that caffeinated drinks don't count. In reality, hydration needs vary from person to person, and most beverages contribute to your fluid intake. The best guide is to listen to your body and drink when you're thirsty. Staying hydrated doesn't have to be complicated. Carry a reusable water bottle, set reminders to drink, and include hydrating foods in your meals. If you don't like plain water, try adding a slice of lemon or cucumber for flavor. Making hydration a habit can help you feel your best every day. If you're not sure whether you're drinking enough, try tracking your water intake for a few days. There are many apps and tools available to help you monitor your hydration. You can also check your urine color. Light yellow usually means you're well hydrated. Tracking can help you build better habits and stay on top of your health. If you follow a special diet, such as low carb or high protein, your hydration needs may change. Some diets can increase water loss or require more fluids to process certain nutrients. It's important to adjust your water intake to match your dietary needs and consult a healthcare professional if you're unsure. Certain chronic health conditions, such as diabetes or kidney disease, can impact your hydration needs. If you have a medical condition, it's important to work with your doctor to develop a hydration plan that's right for you. Proper hydration can help manage symptoms and support overall health. After illness, surgery, or intense physical activity, your body needs extra fluids to recover. Drinking water helps speed up healing, replace lost fluids, and restore balance. Make hydration a priority during recovery to support your body's natural healing processes. To wrap up, hydration is about more than just drinking water, it's about supporting every aspect of your health. From energy and digestion to mood and recovery, water plays a vital role in your well-being. By paying attention to your body's needs and making hydration a daily habit, you can feel your best and support your long-term health. Thanks for joining us on this journey to better hydration.